Day before yesterday, one of my friend Vivian Alfred shared a video which stated that employability is more important than degree, and we should look for sustainability skills than a regular degree of MBA. As generation 10, I feel that we were very lucky because we had no digital era or digital gadgets, as I say, the laptops, and we had no AutoCAD. We learned on the paper. You are generation 2, so naturally there will be some changes. So Shruti, tell me some few inputs as a teacher, as a student, and as a generation 2 on this particular topic.
My point is that a student, when enters into interior design college, is he really aware whether he wants to be an interior designer or not? Is the question. Lot of people, like for example, today, like we mentioned, we have doctors, engineers, and architects. That is it as a part of career. उससे ज़्यादा तुम क्या हो गया? अब आर्किटेक्चर में एडमिशन नहीं मिला तो आप इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन में एडमिशन ले लेते हो. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं. वो सोच के कुछ अलग आते हैं. वो सोचते हैं कि मैं सोफ़ा डिज़ाइन करूँगा या मैं सोफ़ा उठाऊँगा, मैं डेकोर का काम करूँगा. बट एक्चुअली वो डेकोर नहीं होता है. वी टीच देम फ्रॉम बेसिक्स. वी टीच देम एज टू व्हाट अ ब्रिक इज. ब्रिक का डिमेंशन क्या है, तो बच्चा सोच में गिर जाता है, ब्रिक्स क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो, ईट क्यों मुझे पढ़नी है, ईट का मटेरियल क्या. वी टीच देम. फॉर देम इट इज लाइक व्हाई आर वी सपोज टू लर्न अबाउट मटेरियल्स, बट इट इज असेंशियल फॉर यू टू नो अ मटेरियल. इट इज असेंशियल फॉर यू टू नो how that material is applied on site.
What is the harm in giving them the practical knowledge at this college level itself? At our time, there were only 3 colleges, like JJ Academy and Raheja. Now you said there are 300 colleges. So where is the issue lies when you say ki you have to give a practical knowledge to the kids?
We've tried to take the students to these workshops or these light manufacturing units. See, लक्स ल्यूमेन तो हम कॉलेज में पढ़ाते ही हैं उनको, मेजरिंग यूनिट्स ऑफ द लाइट एंड एवरीथिंग, कि बाबा ये रूम में कितने लाइट्स लगेंगे, वो सब हम उनको पढ़ाते हैं. दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द करिकुलम. लेट्स इंक्लूड internships. I mean, let them take it seriously, let them be on site, let them do site execution. Unless and until they don't feel and touch the material and understand the application of it,
he should understand, because they feel खाली ड्राइंग बनाया, जैसे श्रुति ने बोला खाली मैं जाके सोफ़ा खरीदूंगा, ये खरीदूंगा, इंटीरियर स्टाइलिंग. दे डोंट नो सो मच टेक्निकल नॉलेज इज इन्वॉल्व. Are they ready to take this technical knowledge? Are they ready to grasp it? Are they ready to apply it? So it should be at the root level, and the change should happen at the root level. Parivartan should happen at the root level.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to yet another episode of Parivartan podcast series. Today, I have 2 Parivartans with me. This is Parivartan Generation 1.0 and this is Parivartan Generation 2.0. Trupti Shailesh Puranik needs no introduction, but however, Shruti Uchil needs one, and that's my job to introduce her. Shruti's got over 10 years of experience in interior design and architecture. She's done her bachelor's degree from Rachana, and she's done her diploma from Rahejas. She's also a lecturer with Rachana Sansad, and she's also won many awards as the best faculty. In addition, her approach has always been of a friend, philosopher, and guide. There are many more colors to her curriculum vitae, but right now I shall just stop at this. And I shall ask Trupti Shailesh Puranik to take over, and both of them are going to be discussing about the problems, solutions, trends, and challenges in the interior and architecture industry from an education point of view.
Thank you, Chatty, for a nice introduction, and
Most
welcome, Shruti,
welcome.
to Parivartan.
thank you very much.
Okay. So, as Generation 1.0,
Yes.
just to mention a short story. A day before yesterday, one of my friend Vivian Alfred shared a video which stated that employability is more important than degree, and we should look for sustainability skills than a regular degree of MBA. Okay, I think even interior designing is a sustainability skill में ही आता है, and we should have institutions to teach those skills, and we should also have the awareness and the focus to teach students and guide students to have those skills which will give them job employment. As generation 10, I feel that we were very lucky that we had good professors, good institutions to teach architecture and interior designing, and we also had a good knowledge of the sites and the practical knowledge through professional practice, I will say,
Yeah.
because we had the employability, and we have also the good drafting skills, because we had no digital era or digital gadgets, as I say, the laptops, and we had no AutoCAD. We learned on the paper. We started with the sketching. When I gave my entrance exam, it was on paper and not on the online application. कुछ नहीं था, वहाँ पे जाके लाइन में खड़े रहो, अप्लाई करो. अगर आपका इंटीरियर क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ड्राइंग का जो रहता है ना डिग्री,
Aptitude
हाँ
test.
वो रहेगा तो you are there. Like PCM, science was the basic thing. So as a teacher, what is your wholesome take on this process? Because we had been generation 1, you are generation 2, so naturally there will be some changes. So Shruti, tell me some few inputs as a teacher, as a student, and as a generation 2 on this particular topic.
Yeah, so for architecture, yes, NATA is important. There is aptitude test for degree courses also. Few colleges have it for diploma courses also. But I think aptitude test is essential so that student comes to know that okay, this is where or this is easier for us to understand, okay, whether he has a visualization power or not, or whether he is actually looking forward to be an interior designer or not. Okay, there are a lot of it's not an aptitude test only related to sketching. There are a lot of other things involved, like you need to have little general understanding of materials, of what is happening, what is
Judgment.
yeah, and what is that is in trend today, or it could be anything. It could be about a material, it could be about textile, it could be about any monument, it could be about anything. So aptitude test is essential, and that is what we go through. But my point is that a student, when enters into interior design college, is he really aware whether he wants to be an interior designer or not, is the question. Lot of people, like for example today, like we mentioned, we have doctors, engineers and architects. That is it as a part of career. उससे ज़्यादा तुम क्या हो गया, अब आर्किटेक्चर में एडमिशन नहीं मिला तो आप इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन में एडमिशन ले लेते हो. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं कि आर्किटेक्चर में एडमिशन नहीं मिला तो चलो मैं 1 साल वेस्ट क्यों करूँ, मैं इंटीरियर्स कर लेता हूँ 1 साल के लिए. तो इट्स लाइक अ बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट. ऑल्सो दैट वो सोच के कुछ अलग आते हैं. वो सोचते हैं कि मैं सोफ़ा डिज़ाइन करूँगा या मैं सोफ़ा उठाऊँगा, मैं डेकोर का काम करूँगा. बट एक्चुअली वो डेकोर नहीं होता है. वी टीच देम फ्रॉम बेसिक्स. वी टीच देम एज टू व्हाट अ ब्रिक इज़. ब्रिक का डिमेंशन क्या है, तो बच्चा सोच में गिर जाता है, ब्रिक्स क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो, ईट क्यों मुझे पढ़नी है, ईट का मटेरियल क्या. वी टीच देम. फॉर देम इट इज़ लाइक व्हाई आर वी सपोज टू लर्न अबाउट मटेरियल्स, बट इट इज़ असेंशियल फॉर यू टू नो अ मटेरियल. इट इज़ असेंशियल फॉर यू टू नो हाउ दैट मटेरियल इज़ अप्लाइड ऑन साइट. वो आप कहाँ पे कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो, ये अगर आपको नहीं मालूम है तो आप उसका मतलब व्हाट डू यू डू विथ इट देन. तो आई थिंक basic awareness as to where you're going and why you're going is also important.
So you talk about the basics. Coming back to the basics instead of just talking about, okay, where is it is going to take me this course?
Yeah.
Okay, why are you in this? Okay. आप eat की बात कर रहे थे. It is like saying what is eat? They don't know what is it.
No, they don't know.
That's as simple as that. So I think it you need to go back to the wheel and see how the wheel itself is made, instead of saying that am I going to get employed or not get employed, and how much am I going to make out of it, because I think at the end of the day they all look at the CTC.
Absolutely. So as a professional, when those kids come to me as interns or they just apply for the jobs, and when I tell them to draft a plan and do certain things, I don't think they are ready with the gadgets or the tools with themselves. Because जो सिखाया जाता है कॉलेज में, जो हमारे टाइम से सिखाया गया है, that is basically the book knowledge. The practical knowledge is very much important. जैसे श्रुति said कि ईट सिखाते हैं. Yes, we did lot of things in our workshops. I don't know nowadays the system क्या है. Do they have workshops? Do they teach those kind of a thing? But I feel कि joinery and everything was important for me 30 years back. is it important right now? It's a valid question, right? So we did joinery, carpentry, वो रंधा मारो उससे जो बनाते हैं the male female joint and everything, we learned that. But is it important? Because the material are changing, everything is updating so fast. Like अभी कंप्यूटर पे ही सब हो रहा है, AI है. तो इज़ दिस नॉलेज इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर किड्स? बिकॉज मेरे हिसाब से हाँ, बिकॉज उनको बेसिक पता होना चाहिए. बट अभी इन जो ट्रेंड में है, इन ट्रेंड है, उससे भी उनको नॉलेज मिलना ज़रूरी है मटेरियल्स का. वही नॉलेज अगर कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं अभी तक, तो वो अभी के टाइम में यूज़फुल नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज़ योर इनपुट्स इन द सेम? आई थिंक मस्ट बी द सिमिलर, बट यू टेल मी.
इट इज़ लाइक आई टेल यू व्हाट, बेसिक्स तो इम्पॉर्टेंट है ही. आप अगर मटेरियल समझो तो उसको आप असेंबल कर पाओगे.
I have a question for both of you all. Somewhere both of you all agree that the basics are important, okay? But imagine the Gen Z, okay? They're saying that all cars are automatic. So why should I learn how a manual car works? And very soon I'm going to be going into driving a self-driven car.
Yeah.
So why do I need to know all this? Why do I have to waste my time when the future is right there? It's driving me with somewhere else.
Yeah.
So similarly, when my question to you is, with the trends changing, everything is changing and evolving on a daily basis. All that the student needs to do is just go through Instagram or Facebook or whatever, any online, and see that it's very different from what he learns.
Yeah.
So he must be thinking, why should I go to the basics? So what do you feel about it?
So there are students asking me at times that when everything is computerized, why the hell am I drafting? Why are you
my
asking
point.
me to do sketches? But my point is, dear, when you have your client, he'll ask you to do minor changes. At that point, you cannot tell the client that wait, I'll open my computer, मैं उस पर changes करता हूँ, rendering पे डालता हूँ, फिर आऊँगा मैं. No, that time you just sketch it in front of him and then the things are ready. Number 1. Number 2, AI आपको क्या देगा? आपको AI को इनपुट तो देना है, तब वो आउटपुट देगा आपको.
Correct.
आप उसको इनपुट तब दोगे जब भी आपको नॉलेज है, आपको पता है, तो आप उसको इनपुट देंगे, फिर AI जनरेट करके आपको आउटपुट देगा. Isn't it? ऑल्सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है AI से ज़्यादा हु आर यू? एन इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, एन आर्किटेक्ट. आप खुद एक डिज़ाइनर हो, आप रेप्लिकेट क्यों कर रहे हो डिज़ाइंस? आज जो पिंटरेस्ट पे है, आज जो सोशल मीडिया पे रखा हुआ है, वो किसी और की डिज़ाइन है, वो किसी ने किया हुआ डिज़ाइन है. आपका खुद का क्रिएटिविटी कहाँ है फिर? यू योर सेल्फ, इफ यू कॉल योर सेल्फ एज अ डिज़ाइनर, तो आप डिज़ाइन करो ना.
कट पेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हो?
Yes. तो फिर अगर कट पेस्ट ही करना है तो फिर आपकी क्या ज़रूरत है? See, there is something called as scale, proportion, form. तो ये जो हम फर्स्ट ईयर लेवल पे वी टीच समथिंग कॉल्ड एज बेसिक डिज़ाइन एज अ सब्जेक्ट. वो आर्किटेक्चर में भी होता है, वो काफ़ी साल तक बेसिक डिज़ाइन लेते हैं, हम सिर्फ फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ाते हैं. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो स्केल प्रपोर्शन वगैरह ना, ये डिज़ाइनर्स को हम ट्रेन करते हैं. वी ट्रेन आवर स्टूडेंट्स टू लुक एट सर्टन थिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर मैनर. ये आप कॉलेज लेवल पे ही सीखते हो. फिर उसकी एप्लीकेशन कैसे करनी है वो आपको पता है. ये आप रैंडमली एक फ़ोटो बोल के देख के बताओगे मुझे ये ऐसे करना है, तो फिर आप डेकोरेशन का कार्य, फिर आप डेकोर या क्या बोलते हो उसको, आप डेकोरेटर हो गए, आप डिज़ाइनर हुए ही नहीं.
So that's the skeleton. You're saying that the skeleton needs to be in place. Only then you can put in the entire nervous system and everything else. The body can be shaped up.
Yes.
So in this manner, Chatti, I would like to say that the old school was much better, I would say, because when we draw, or as they say, when we write, our brain and hand coordination is there.
Yeah.
When we do something on the computer, it's not there. It's just whatever is available we are creating out of it, right? So अभी client के पास जब जाते हैं, client हमारे पास आता है और we are at a side, we have to visualize. That visualization is not done by AI. It's not done on the computers.
Yeah.
And whatever you are visualizing, you should be able to put it on paper. अगर वो आप पेपर पे नहीं डालोगे तो वो क्रिएट नहीं होगा बाद में. एटलीस्ट टू पुट सम आइडियाज यू हैव टू हैव पेपर. For planning, we were taught a bubble designing. It was a very basic thing, but it's so helpful even now today when you are planning you have to have that flow chart,
Yes.
bubble design,
Yes.
वो होना ही चाहिए. वो कंप्यूटर पे बाद में आप पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन करते वक्त
Yes.
कुछ भी करो,
Yes.
पुट इट इन अ नाइस फॉर्मेट, बट वो हाथ से लिखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
और
है.
एल्स आई कैन
So-
ऑल्सो पुट इट एज दैट आप जो ड्राइंग कर रहे हो ना वो आप सिर्फ ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो,
Transfer
दैट
कर
डेटा
रहे
यू आर ट्रांसफरिंग इनटू, जब आप उसको कंप्यूटराइज कर रहे हो, राइट? और जब वो मतलब आई टेल यू व्हाट, वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट कम्स टू मी टेलिंग मी दैट दिस इज माय आइडिया, दैट इज माय आइडिया. माय पॉइंट इज व्हाट इज ऑन द पेपर, व्हाट आइडियाज यू हैव हियर, हाउ विल आई विजुअलाइज इट? और मेरा विजुअलाइजेशन पावर भी बहुत अलग है. फॉर यू, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू, आई मीन इट्स अ लेमैन्स टर्म, मैंने बोल दिया आज कि आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ ग्रीन कलर, ओके?
Yeah.
I think for me it's an olive green, but for you it might be a parrot green.
Yeah.
सोचो कितनी अलग चीज़ें आएंगी बाहर.
Correct.
So my point is that if it is on the paper, then only you know what it is. You cannot explain your visualization skills to someone. It has to be on paper. और वो पहले आप पेंसिल से ही रखोगे, फिर आप उसको कौन से भी फॉर्मेट में उसको ट्रांसफर करो, isn't it?
I have one more question. So the students that pass out from her institute, from where she teaches, they come to you. I'm sure it's the same students that come to you for an internship. Okay, what are the drawbacks that you see in those kids who come to you and say that this is what we want to do? Do you see a lack in their thinking and they lack in understanding the concepts of interior designing itself? Or they're just there because they've just done the course? Where do you think there are drawbacks from here? I'm not blaming her, but I'm saying from an education system, from a system, what is it that needs to be bridged?
So what I can say right now is, I won't call it a drawback, but yes, there is somewhere a missing link.
Yeah.
That whatever they are thinking, their thought process, they're putting on paper. Okay, they say I want this curve line, I want this triangle, I want this vertical line, and this and that. They design superb, कुछ भी क्रिएट कर लेंगे, अच्छे से क्रिएट कर लेंगे. But on a application part, my problem is not their education part on a paper level or a theoretical level, but application is the major problem because they don't know how to apply that design on site. They don't know the site conditions. They don't know कि वहाँ पे कौन से tiles लगे हुए हैं, what are the amenities given by the builder, can they change those, उसका cost effect क्या होगा. The finance is not taught in the college.
Yeah.
नहीं समझ में आता. And client has a budget. You have to work in his budget, his or her budget, whatever it is. If it is a small budget, how you will fit your design in that particular budget? If you don't know the material, actual material, how you are going to apply? How you will say I need this curve like this, but how you are going to make it?
Yeah.
It will be so expensive. So
Is it even
that is a
practical in
problem.
the first place?
Practical implication is a big problem.
And expense.
Yeah.
But I think at college level, what we in fact we tell them, this is, you have the liberty time. You have liberty because you have no clientele, okay? You have no, as she mentioned, no budget. तो हम बच्चे को बोलते हैं आप आपके विजुअलाइजेशन के दरवाजे पूरे खोल दो और आप चाहिए वैसे डिज़ाइन कर लो. बच्चा एकदम डिज़ाइनर बन के फुल डिज़ाइन ही करके दे देता है आपको. But it is, see, I'll tell you what, at that point we don't want to constrain, we don't want to put those barriers here. We want them to explore. So we tell them, okay, explore. But also with this, we teach them something called as BOQ. तो आपने अगर एक particular
What is BOQ?
a bill of quantities.
Quantities,
Bill of quantities. So what they do is, whatever that they've designed, उसका bill of quantities उनको निकालना होता है. So for example, if there is a desk जो उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया है, तो वो डेस्क को क्या क्या लगेगा, प्लाईवुड लगेगा, वीनियर लगेगा, उस वीनियर को पॉलिश लगेगा, वो सब चीज़ का वो क्वांटिटीज़ निकालते हैं. तो उसका एक बिलिंग होता है एट द एंड. तो वो बिलिंग जो होता है वो हम उनको सिखाते हैं कि इसका बिलिंग इतना होगा. बट आप उनको बोलोगे डिज़ाइन करना है तो बच्चा फुल आपको डिज़ाइन करके दे देगा. बट व्हाट हैपन्स इज दिस दे लर्न ऑन साइट. ये वो जब भी बाहर निकलते हैं, वो ऑन साइट जाते हैं, तब ये सब वो दे अंडरस्टैंड, ओके नाउ this is the amount that the client is going to pay. Abhi I have to get everything, concise everything here. This is what they understand after college. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि college level पे, even if you are a part of first year, see it's a very dedicated program. आपको जैसे summer vacation लगता है, go to a ऑफिस, टेल देम दैट आई वांट टू बी ऑन साइट, मुझे आपके सिर्फ साइट पे खड़े रहना है. यू डोंट आस्क फॉर मनी, डोंट आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग. ट्रैवलिंग अलाउंस मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं वो भी आप शेयर कर लो. जैसे पॉकेट मनी से आप कॉलेज आते हो वैसे साइट पे जाओ. Go there, understand the material. Trust me, you do so many drawings on paper. I mean, today also for a project that we give them, they might be doing so many drawings. But are these drawings practical? ये आप साइट पे जैसे आपने ड्राइंग बनाया वैसे साइट पे होता है, कभी नहीं होता है. द लॉट ऑफ challenges on site.
See the feasibility and come.
Yeah, so this is what they learn when they are on the site. तो साइट एग्जीक्यूशन जो है ना, वो उनको कॉलेज लेवल पे अगर सीखना है तो उनको इंटर्नशिप का टाइम होता है. वो आप इंटर्नशिप में करो या आपको वेकेशन मिलता है तभी करो. यू सो मेनी वेकेशंस, यू गॉट दिवाली वेकेशन, यू गॉट विंटर वेकेशंस, यू गॉट मिड टर्म ब्रेक्स, यू हैव सो मेनी वेकेशंस, यूटिलाइज देम. व्हाई नॉट?
But my question to you is, Shruti, what is the harm in giving them the practical knowledge at this college level itself? Because अगर इलेक्ट्रिशियन है, अगर लाइट्स है, केवैट्स कितने हैं, क्या है लाइट का, अगर ये भी हम लोग अगर थोड़ी सी चीज़ों में, नॉट नेसेसरी वी हैव टू टेक देम टू द शॉप, वो बिकॉज बहुत सारा 60 स्टूडेंट्स और 80 स्टूडेंट्स टू टेक देम टू अ पर्टिकुलर शॉप and teach them, but at least the basic things you can bring the lights to the college. You can teach them what is the wattage, क्या होता है, वायरिंग के बारे में अगर थोड़ा सा सिखाते हैं, या प्रैक्टिकल प्लम्बिंग के बारे में थोड़ा सा सिखाते हैं, विच इज़ अ बेसिक थिंग, यू नो, सीवेज वाटर. ये क्योंकि प्लम्बर कर देगा ऐसे नहीं होता. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर अगर है तो भी यू हैव टू गिव देम पर्टिकुलर नॉलेज. तो ये छोटी चीज़ें इंक्लूड करने में करिकुलम में क्या इशू है? बिकॉज सी एट आवर टाइम देर वर ओनली 3 colleges like JJ Academy and Raheja. Now you said there are 300 colleges. So where is the issue lies when you say कि you have to give a practical knowledge to the kids?
I think it's a problem of plenty. From 3 colleges to 300.
Yeah.
And imagine the number of problems and students that you have to deal with who do not have the foundation in place. And all they're doing is thinking about fantasy.
नहीं, ऑल्सो दैट सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इस कॉलेज लेवल पे बुक, जैसे हम बोलते हैं बुकिश नॉलेज होता है, वैसे उनका सब कुछ बुक में है बट एप्लीकेशन नहीं है. तो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग लास्ट 10 years, व्हाट आई हैव सीन द चेंजेस दैट वी हैव ट्राइड टू टेक द स्टूडेंट्स टू दीज वर्कशॉप्स और दीज लाइट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स. सी लक्स ल्यूमेन तो हम कॉलेज में पढ़ाते ही है उनको, मेजरिंग यूनिट्स ऑफ द लाइट एंड एवरीथिंग, कि बाबा ये रूम में कितने लाइट्स लगेंगे, वो सब हम उनको पढ़ाते हैं. दैट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ द करिकुलम. बट वो एक्चुअली जब साइट पे करना होता है तभी तो वो ज्वेलरी शॉप बना देते हैं कि आदमी जल जाए वहाँ पे. गर्मी से जल जाए, इतनी गर्मी, बिकॉज लाइट्स प्रोड्यूस heat, isn't it?
Correct.
And when it is not necessary, the natural light conditions, they have to study at the site.
बट ऑल्सो आई थिंक वो वर्कशॉप्स पे लेके जाना, फिर वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग होके वो एप्लीकेशन में डालना, वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है.
So, Shruti, when I basically we से ज़्यादा better है कि when I decided to do an architecture, I just applied because my drawing was good. Okay, I didn't think much कि क्या सिखाने वाले हैं architecture में. Interior was only 1 year course. And then सब आता है उसमें, everything is together. Quantities है, as you mentioned, technical drawings है, working drawings है, design है, form है, space है, ये ह्यूमैनिटीज़ करके टॉपिक है, हिस्ट्री है. क्या क्या सीखेगा एक बच्चा? अगर इंटीरियर का भी इतना अगर छोटा सा पार्ट है मेरे लिए, तो फॉर द इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग कोर्स इट्स सच अ बिग थिंग, यू नो. देर इज़ लाइटिंग, प्लम्बिंग, फॉर्म, डिज़ाइन, द मटेरियल एप्लीकेशन, पेंट है, सो मेनी स्पेशलिटीज़ आर देयर, सो मेनी फैक्टर्स आर देयर. सो वन पर्सन और वन स्टूडेंट कितना सीखेगा? सब में तो वो एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो सकता. सो देर आर नो चॉइसेस फॉर द किड्स, नहीं दिए जाते या वो नहीं लेना चाहते. बट आई थिंक दैट शुड बी गिवन टू देम एंड इट शुड बी ब्रेक डाउन टू अ सर्टन लेवल कि लाइटिंग एक्सपर्ट हो सकता है, प्लम्बिंग एक्सपर्ट हो सकता है. डे बिफोर यस्टरडे आई अटेंडेड द कॉन्फ्रेंस दैट इज़ वाटर पॉजिटिव. सो मेनी इशूज़ आर कमिंग अप, सो देर कैन बी सो मेनी एक्सपर्ट्स, यू नो. मतलब उसके लिए टेक्निकल नॉलेज होना ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट इंटीरियर के कोर्स में ये भी डिवीजन हो सकते हैं. लाइक अगर MEP वाले को ही आना चाहिए ऐसे नेसेसरी नहीं है. इंटीरियर पर्सन ऑल्सो कैन डू all these things.
So
तो
you're
ये
talking about
courses क्यों नहीं होते?
specialization.
Specialization,
So what we do
definitely.
is in second year we have something called as electives, जहाँ पे students, see it's a Indian education system, at the end of the day we need to accept it. तो हम broader base पढ़ाई तो दे रहे हैं उनको, but at the end of the day second year में भी something called as electives, जहाँ पे what we do is we expect students to decide, okay, this is my forte, or this is what I want to learn or take this further as a part of specialization. We don't have such courses doing this specialization, I agree, but yes, आज क्या होता है, लाइटिंग कंसल्टेंट है, सो कैन वी हैव अ कोर्स वेर इन लाइटिंग ही सिर्फ सिखाया जाए और फिर वो लाइटिंग में एक्सपर्ट बन जाए. जैसे आपने बोला प्लम्बिंग, तो प्लम्बिंग का ही एक कोर्स होगा, तो 2 साल पढ़ लेगा, थर्ड ईयर से वो प्लम्बिंग पढ़ना चालू कर देगा और फिर वो प्लम्बिंग एक्सपर्ट हो जाएगा. ऐसे हो सकता है, राइट. तो येस, वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, और ऐसे हमने कोर्सेज किए. सी टुडे आई टेल यू, जैसे आपने जब भी व्हेन यू पास आउट, यू आर एन आर्किटेक्ट, यू आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ इट, यू आर डूइंग आर्किटेक्चर, यू आर डूइंग इंटीरियर प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑल्सो, आप सब में घुस गए थे. आज venues are open for students. Today a student is no more an interior designer. Tomorrow he could be a stylist, क्योंकि उसका fascination is more towards decoration part of it. So tomorrow an interior designer can come out. See, today we have social media presence. आज एक बच्चा content writing, मेरा writing अच्छा है, मतलब मैं अच्छा लिख पाता हूँ, मैं content writer बन गया. मुझे ना सेट्स ज़्यादा पसंद है, मुझे वो टेम्परेरी चीज़ें करो एज पर मूड एंड नीड, तो मैं सेट डिज़ाइनिंग में घुस गया. देर माइट बी समन who would do only commercial spaces. I mean, I know so many architects today doing only commercial spaces. We are one of our friends, Swapnil Sawan. So वो मुझे लगता है इंडस्ट्री थोड़ी ओपन हो गई है उनके लिए, एंड दे आर नो मोर इनटू एज ओनली इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर्स डूइंग ड्राफ्टिंग एट बैक एंड. तो वो उनके इट्स ओनली दैट द फैकल्टी और whoever the mentor is needs to make them understand and aware कि ये आपका forte है, या this is what your what do we say interest is in, और आप इस पे ज़्यादा काम करो. वो अगर एक student identify अगर कर पाए, तो I think nothing like it.
So does that mean then even the faculty will also have to be changed? So, altered, I would say. If you're saying a plumbing expert or an electrical lighting expert, so don't you need to have a, subject matter expert on that who will come and teach you only on that and nothing else?
Yes.
It can't be the same person who has learnt it in a certain way, so he or she just becomes a professor of the same. If you expect that change from the student, then you should have the change also from the
Yeah. So, Chatty, to answer your question, I feel faculties are trained enough and they are good enough. They have good enough knowledge to teach those courses. But these courses should be divided into the categories, and these courses should be given that much value, I will say, or that much weightage, because interior designing wholesome is like a high profile thing, because it's a built environment, built housing we are addressing to. So the students have applied for something which is high collared or high society degree.
It's a more elite,
you can say elite degree,
white collar job.
And if you say this lighting or plumbing or electrical or any particular if you divide into small categories, those are not high profile jobs. Okay, but we can as a architects or as a faculty or as a fraternity, I would say, we can give those knowledge to children, and we can say that yes, this is also the core of the industry, and there should be given a little weightage, and we should create those kind of courses, I can say, not degree, but at least we can give those kind of courses to children, because see, there will be hospitals, there will be hotels, hotel industry, hospitality industry, there will be houses, commercial interiors, and there will be specialization also. Because अगर मेरा जो प्लम्बर है उसको उतना इन डेप्थ नॉलेज है क्या हॉस्पिटल का प्लम्बिंग हैंडल करने का, आई डोंट नो, देन देयर शुड बी एन MEP कंसल्टेंट. उससे बेटर है कि अगर मेरा वो प्लम्बर के पास डिग्री है उस टाइप की, एंड ही कैन हैंडल दैट विद द सेम एस्थेटिक सेंस ऑल्सो, विच इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर और आर्किटेक्ट शुड नॉट पुट देयर माइंड इन टू. पाइप दिख रहा है तो क्या, नहीं चलेगा ना. तो if he has that knowledge and if electrician has that knowledge, SVSC guy has that knowledge, certification or a degree, that kind of a thing, then it will be really very helpful. And I think that should be the focus, or that should be the question we should address to. I feel that should be the important
Yeah,
thing.
little short-term courses or specialization courses can be introduced and would be helpful.
My other question to you is from an employment perspective and from a education perspective, is that now there's a lot of emphasis on going green, sustainability, eco-friendly. Your homes need to be eco-friendly. You should be using a certain kind of lights, not all of that. So do you get clients who say, I want to build a home or a commercial space which is completely eco-friendly? Okay. And do you have any courses, someone, there are a certain sect of students who want to pursue and learn only this aspect? Since both of you talked about segregation.
Yeah.
So where does the carbon footprint
Carbon
and going green exist in all this? Because when you talk about lighting or you talk about plumbing, it could be, I have a fountain and so much of water and then these kind of lights, so many lights. But it may not be environmentally
Not
viable.
sustainable also.
Yeah.
But yeah, we don't offer these kind of courses. We don't have these kind of courses. It will be great if we kind of try to incorporate it. Nothing like it, but we don't have these kind of courses. We don't have.
And do you get
My
clients
opinion is the
specifically saying-
future lies into all this, because when we say global warming, water level is reducing, and some states are going with zero water, and all these problems we are facing in India also. And on other side, we are developing so many resort structures which also needs architects, interior designers. So I feel there should be a balance, and we have to focus on this particular problem, or green architecture, green interior, sustainability, and also carbon footprint, and bamboo structures are coming up. We have to give this knowledge
Solar
to students.
panels.
Yeah, solar panels तो already है, already बहुत है, but still
But at an individual level, like if I'm doing up my home or building my home, I want to make it as sustainable as possible.
Yeah.
If it means
Even the
that
landscape should be
exactly.
the
Landscape.
Subject which is
Landscape as a subject
important.
in interiors
Yeah, in interiors as well. And many things. Builders are also aware right now. They are giving many things inbuilt also.
Okay, Parivartan 1.0, Parivartan 2.0. There have been a lot of discussions, there are a lot of gaps, there are a lot of loopholes, and there are a lot of solutions too. But if I had to sum it up, give a moral of the story to this entire discussion, where do you see the educator and the employer coming together, and the industry? And what is it a student should now focus on?
So, as I rightly mentioned, that let's include internships. I mean, let them take it seriously. Let them be on site. Let them do site execution. Unless and until they don't feel and touch the material and understand the application of it, there is no end to this discussion then.
Okay, I feel from the introduction level, when a student wants to apply for the education system like interior designing, want to go for this particular streamline, he should understand, we should give him knowledge that okay, these are the verticals which you are going to learn, these are the verticals which you can learn, they should be available basically with us. And he should understand, because they feel खाली ड्राइंग बनाया, जैसे श्रुति ने बोला खाली मैं जाके सोफ़ा खरीदूंगा, ये खरीदूंगा, इंटीरियर स्टाइलिंग, they don't know so much technical knowledge is involved. Are they ready to take this technical knowledge? Are they ready to grasp it? Are they ready to apply it? So it should be at the root level, and the change should happen at the root level. Parivartan should happen at the root level, at the introduction level itself. That is my take on this particular thing.
So Shruti, you have a list of colors in your curriculum vitae. So there are a few more also. Okay. Yes, speaking of colors, you also are a color expert. You work with Asian paints. But in addition, you are a mother, you're a baker, you're a cyclist, you're also calligraphy.
I've learned Roman chancellery.
You've learned that as well. Now, if I had to ask you to give a color to each one of them, and which color do you like the best?
I think every time you enter into a character, it's like a color.
Yeah.
So if you ask me where I am, so if I'm here today,
Yeah.
I'm an interior designer.
And what color would you give it?
I think orange, because orange is a color of creativity.
Okay.
If you ask me, I'm home, I'm a mother, I'm a wife. No colors to that, please, because that life is very colorful with a kid.
And there are a lot of gray areas also.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. And I'll ask you the same question, Trupti. You are also a mother, you're an entrepreneur, you're a whole lot of things. Okay. If you had to give yourself a color, what color would it be?
So my favorite would be white because on white canvas I can paint any color. So that is my strategy.
Thank you. And my last question to you is: you are a baker. So when are you baking, and what are you baking, and when are you getting it here?
I'm doing it tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll get it on Padwa.
Thank you so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this was an episode on 1.0 and 2.0. We've come to the end of our segment, and thank you so much. And let's see the educator and the employer bringing great changes to life.